why did you come to Auroville?
Why? Yeah, main question, because this is the reason why I came to Auroville. At that time I was 21. I wanted, I already read some books of modern show window, and then I wanted to first see how it was, and maybe to share the same thing, same aspiration with some people already inside. So I wanted to have some different life based on different things. Yeah, not materialistic too much. More materialistic is there, but more aspiration also. Yeah. Based on modern Chauvinot's philosophy, I can say. Yeah. So I came in '81 because the life was. What was going to wait for me there in France it was not very like, I didn't really like what was going to be my life. So I said, okay, I go and see there what is, some purpose should be there in the life. Not just you walk, go back to your house, and again you walk. You have to have some purpose in life now, according to me. So I came in, then it was 81, there was around 450 people at that time. 400, 450, I remember this. On the same surface. So, and still I'm here. Yeah, madam.
How to live in Auroville help you to find a purpose?
Good question. Actually, it's combination of both the place where you stay and also inside. You can also find a place in Europe and grow, but I could not. And in which way, Auroville let me freedom. There was such huge freedom at that time. You could really do whatever activity you wanted. And see, I was 21. I started some handmade paper flower pasting on a company called Shalanjali. I joined this, I was 21. I joined these two, and then ladies was there. Then we have done something nice without any qualification, but it worked so well. And then after I done many things, other things, and I learned so many things. That is on a practical level, material level. Inside, wherever, but it was a special place of Auroville. Special place. Very, very special. There's some kind, how to say, force or presence, or I don't to put words, it's a bit like, but there is something special inside Auroville, yeah, sure. It helps also. It's a combination of your aspiration and the place where you are. That is a combination of both. So also one thing is, I am one. This is my own perspective. 3,000 people, 3,000 different way of living the thing. This is only one small individual who is speaking now. So that is very important also to know. What I say is just for me, not for the 3,000 people. Okay.
How did you get money for food, clothes, and normal living?
No.
Not now.
Because it has changed.
In 81, not now.
Oh, in 81. Oh, 81. So it was very different way of doing. We didn't have any salary. It was working by communities. I was staying in Aspiration, one big community, and so I was working in this flower company, dried flower company. So this dried flower company, it's difficult to explain. There was system of envelope. There was central, in the center, there is every week or every month, I don't remember, there was the envelope, there are the budget per communities. so much for aspiration, so much for the center, so much for, and so on and so forth. And the company where I was working were giving the money to this center. Okay, Christian, 3,000 rupees I think at that time. 3,000 rupees goes for aspiration. And there was another fellow with me also, Michel, also there. These people, they get the money, center. Then they, whatever money comes in, they will, after putting the envelope, okay, budget of aspiration is that much. This year, this month, okay, we have so much money we can give. Sometimes not enough money, so they have to reduce. Very often they had to reduce. So food was very difficult. I was very lean at that time. And not only me. Not only me. Why you all laughing?
And now things have changed.
Yeah, very much. I don't remember when it was maybe 90 something, in the 90s. We get what we call the maintenance. It's kind of salary. So that salary is also going to the center, but the center gives back to me. I have an account. So definitely it's not the same. It's less togetherness. It's more like, okay, I get maintenance, I get a salary. I can spend for food, I can spend for dress. You see, it's different. It's a bit different.
All people have the same salary?
Here?
Yeah.
I think so. I think so. I don't know. Frankly speaking, I'm very frank with you. I think so. 100% I can't say yes. Or there is other way to have also, if you are having a company, instead of putting, yeah, there's normally yes, okay, that's better. Yeah, normally yes. Maybe some do like this, I don't know.
And in these 45 years, Christian, what are the 2 or 3 biggest changes you've seen in Auroville?
Okay, yeah, okay. 1, 2 already, 2 is there in my mind. When you say, first is materially. There was nothing when I came. No, even street lights, no roads, no water. I mean, it's a whole thing. You see, it's not only Auroville, it's also the village. They really took advantage of the growing of Auroville. The whole area, so much materially, much better. Much better. Now you can find anything. At that time, even milk was difficult. To find milk, it was not that easy. Now milk is difficult. Just I'm saying milk because it comes to my mind, but many things. And at that time, so we forget about internet. Internet was nowhere. Even TV was not many people had TV in the village, not for Aurovillian people. But so Auroville, yeah, materially very poor. So now, so much trees everywhere, buildings. That is very plus, very plus. Now one more change, not very plus, minus. The togetherness is less, much less. But maybe this is normal. When you are 400 people, you feel, and you have to be together. Believe me, you have to be together. And you are together. Now 3,000, togetherness is less, yeah. So that is change. Now one more change, I don't know. Yeah, materially you don't know. So much change, which is good, very good.
And do you share like a spiritual common rituals or beliefs? Is that was also mentioned in the video, that this unity can only be achieved through spirituality? Is that like a
no ritual? We don't have any ritual.
No?
Ritual is like a religion. No, we don't have any ritual. We share the same aspiration. I know with some I share because they are my old friend. So I know I share. Some other I hope I share, but I don't know actually. But yeah, I hope I share with them. With some I share, I know. Some other I don't know. And the ritual we don't have any like puja or this kind of things. No, we don't have this. It's inside, no. Inside, no.
Thank you. inside and alone.
At the end, we are all alone. You know, you and mother. I mean, for me, not you. One and mother. Of course, it's nice to have some brother and sister, so pleasant. But at the end, one is alone. That is true. That is the very truth. One is alone. With the mother, with the divine. So we are not alone. We are not alone. But on the social is one thing, but real. One is alone now, of course. Sorry.
Is there always different communities?
Yeah.
Yeah? And how you choose, when you arrive, you choose or not?
The problem is I don't know now how it goes. At that time, you take what is there, because there are not many. Now we have so many places, but there's a process, you know. Actually, there is a process. There's about 15 months where you can integrate, come to know these people, this place, that place, what they are doing there, what they are doing there. Then affinity will come, and then normally you go where you feel to go somewhere. No? Yeah. Choose. So you choose if you want. Yeah.
And there is a lot of children living in Auroville?
Yeah, quite many. Yeah, I don't know the numbers, but quite many. We have so many schools. We have so many schools. So that means we have children. Yeah, we have so many children. I got 2 children. We have many children, which is good.
500 children.
500 children out of 3,000.
3,000, yes.
It's quite a lot.
What are your children doing today?
Mine?
Yeah.
They are going to France.
Mhm.
They are going to France. They are in France now.
Okay.
They're born here, no? My wife is Indian. That also is important to say. So
Your wife is?
my wife is Indian.
Indian.
So it's a half. Not fully French, not fully Indian.
Mhm.
And now they're in France. They enjoy also their life there because they don't know actually what is the life in France, in Europe. So they really enjoy something new, something
Interesting.
braver than me. Actually.
Yeah, and you at that age you went here, and they at that age now go to France.
Exactly. Yeah. So good. It's okay. I mean, everybody is free, no? One has to be free.
And your family in France, what did they say? Like when you said, I'm 21, I go to India, bye bye. Because in 81 this was different, right? Than nowadays.
Yeah. No WhatsApp. No.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Means
Just you go, finish. I tell
write a
you.
letter and it takes.
Yeah, and I was not like, and the letter was taking 10 days to go, to reach, 10 days to go, 10 days, and I was not like, but they said, it was, what they can say anyway, they didn't understand, of course they didn't understand, and it was difficult because it's your family, you like them, no? You like your father, you like your mother. This is my life, this is really, it was pulling so much to come here, it was pulling like anything. No, they didn't understand.
Did you return in France?
Yeah, sure. In 40 years, yes, I returned a few times. Now there are no more on this planet, so I return less now.
People here have different perspectives, different culture. They are all different from different countries, right? So, what is the even the spirituality is inside everyone's that's concept, right? So, what is the goal that keep people united in Auroville? There should be, for any organization, there should be a goal.
Yeah, there is a goal. Goal is there. The making of Auroville is a goal in itself. That is but there is also this what presented Chauvinot and the mother. What they said. That is the cement of the city. This is the cement. We are here for Chauvinot and mother to make this city happening. That is the making together is the Chauvinot and the mother. If some people they come they don't know much and they are not actually they don't know much. It's okay, but there should be interest. There should be some kind of opening, some kind of aspiration. If there is no, this is bullshit. No, they cannot be here. Hopefully, maybe they can hear, but they are cheating. You understand? This is the Sherman Namada which makes everything coming together. According to me, again.
One last question.
How does a typical day for you look like
For
nowadays?
me?
Yeah.
For me nowadays,
Yeah.
Today, I get up. I mean, it's very nothing special. Huh? There is nothing interesting in my life. Very special, nothing interesting. When I get my son in the phone of my daughter, I say, "Oh, what you have done today?" Nothing I've done. Sorry. I went. I take my breakfast. I wash the dress. I go to my place to work. I eat lunch. Then I go back to my work. Then I go back to my place. Nothing much like deep meditation. Not much. But inside, that is more important. You can do whatever, but you have to be still. You have to focus on why you are here. Why you are here. That is the most important and very easy to lose also. Why I am here. Why I am speaking to you people. Why I am here every day. There is a reason. There is a reason inside. That is makes the difference between the West. I mean, my life in the West or my life here. What am I doing? What am I doing? That is very important. That is really important. It makes the difference actually for me.
Any restrictions for social media?
No. Restriction in so as long as you don't you stay in certain limit of there is no restriction. If you difficulties no, there is no restriction very much. You mean Facebook or this kind of thing? No, I have Facebook. I am on Instagram. There is no.
It's a challenge to bring the young generation to believe in this.
See, it's not a challenge. It's not a challenge. Challenge is, I'll tell you something very true, for me very true. If we are very, like, calling very much for a certain thing to come, it will attract the same. If we aspire for, how to say, the same aspire the same. If I am, how to say, to attract the people, it's not like doing this, doing that. That is okay, you have to do, but what will attract the young people? What they will find this is something good there, like I came, freedom is there, kind of adventure, let's come there. Okay, but if you are like all pension people, if you are all like pension people, what is there for the young people? Nothing is there. No. We want Auroville, we want Mother, we want Shlobindo. We are not old. Maybe we are old, but we are not inside old. No. Of course I am 65, yes, okay. But no, I'm not old. Inside, you cannot be old. I mean, you are wise, you are more more, how to say, you change, of course, from young, from 20 to 60, you change, of course. But still, this inner child inside is there, if I can say like that. Okay, I have to go back to work.